Trust Bosch to help you throughout the lifetime of your appliance, giving you the level of service you would expect from Bosch. Bosch Engineers are here to provide expert repairs for your appliance, both inside and outside of your warranty. We have created easy ways for you to let us know if something goes wrong. Online or at our 24 hours a day, 7 days a week contact centre. An experienced advisor will determine the problem. We will then schedule a service visit by one of our engineers. Our engineers work weekdays, with some weekend appointments available. You will receive a text message reminder of your appointment. Our engineers will only replace any faulty parts with original replacements from our German warehouse. We store parts for up to 10 years after producing an appliance. The parts are transported overnight directly to our engineers' van, so they have the parts the very next morning ready to repair your appliance. If outside your warranty, our engineers will provide you with a cost estimate and, with your agreement, complete the repair. You will then receive a 1-year warranty for the repair. Your appliance will now be ready to use again. Our engineers repair all Bosch home appliances, and small appliances can be sent to our workshop. Bosch Customer Service.